Hi, my name is Jonas from Enduristan and today I'll show you the Hailstorm 35. In this video we'll show you how to assemble and install the Hailstorm 35 on your motorbike. For the installation you'll need a 4mm Allen key and a hammer. The Hailstorm 35 scope of delivery includes the structural centerpiece with EVA padding, one left and one right inner bag, one left and one right outer bag, the strap attachers, 10 pieces of them, then drive-in nuts and bolts, 2 protective stickers and rear cam lock straps. The width of the Hailstorm 35 can be adjusted to fit your motorcycle. You can choose between a narrow and a wide setting, allowing you to achieve an optimal fit depending on the overall width of your bike. For the narrow setting, use these 3 holes. For the wide setting, use these 3 holes. To determine which width setting fits your motorcycle best, first remove the EVA padding on the structural centerpiece. Take 2 bolts, insert the bolts from the inside of the bag through the outer holes, and loosely place the drive-in nuts on the opposite side. Repeat this step also for the other side. Before placing the bags on the bike, we recommend removing any grab rails for the best possible fit. Position the bags over the seat. If your bike has a rear fuel tank, align the refueling cutout accordingly. Press the bags down and check how the lower straps line up with a suitable mounting point on the bike. If you want the bags to sit lower, try the wide setting. On this bike, we're using the narrow setting due to its slim design. Once you found the correct width setting, remove the bags to install the drive-in nuts. Place the structural centerpiece on a stable surface with the Velcro facing up. Use a piece of wood underneath to protect your work surface. Insert the drive-in nuts and carefully hammer them into place. Repeat this step also for the other side. Reinstall the bags, align the holes, insert all 3 bolts per side and tighten them using a 4mm Allen key. Repeat this step also for the other side. To secure the system at the rear, you need solid mounting points. If your bike doesn't provide suitable tie-down points, you can use the separately available anchor point for Hailstorm. It allows a secure rear mounting when straps cannot be attached directly. You can find the anchor point mounting instructions via the QR code on its packaging or on our website on our YouTube channel. To secure the rear of the system, use the 2 rear cam lock straps and 2 strap attachers. Feed the straps through the rear cutouts from the top. Loop first. Make sure the cam lock faces upward when the strap runs towards the rear. Turn the structural centerpiece over, take the loop and thread it through the strap attacher. Now remove the 2 corresponding cutouts in the EVA padding. This ensures easy access in case you want to change your setup later. Attach the rear straps to the bike and feed them back through the cam locks. On this rack, the optimal setup is crossed straps. On other bikes or racks, the straps can also be routed straight. Secure the excess strap length using the Velcro strap keepers. At the front, find a suitable mounting point for the lower straps. Feed the strap ends back through the cam locks. Try to keep the straps running straight from the CRR brackets. Secure excess strap length using the Velcro strap keepers again. To mount optional bags like a Psychic 10 to the Hailstorm 35, take away the padding of the structural centerpiece. Take the 4 short straps that come with the Sidekicks, loop in the strap attachers and thread them through the cutouts. And don't forget to remove the padding cutouts before reapplying the EVA padding to the centerpiece. If you want to only ride with optional rock straps, you can mount them also to the structural centerpiece with the strap attachers. We have a variety of cutouts that allow you to run them horizontally or vertically. Do as you please. This is how you install the Hailstorm 35. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, your local Enduristan dealer will be happy to help, or feel free to contact us directly.